Hello, welcome back. Pasta de Guayaba or guava paste. I grew up eating this as a snack when I was a little boy in Puerto Rico. My grandmother used to give me this, my aunt used to give me this, and I'm going to show you how to make this simple snack three different ways. All them with saltine crackers, that is the most. So one is going to have cheese, the guava paste, and an olive. The other one is going to have cheese and the guava paste, and the other one just the guava paste. I like it with the olive and the cheese because the flavors they mix together perfectly and enhance your palate. So go nowhere. Let's have some fun. Let's create. So I have the guava paste or pasta de guayaba, olive, cheese, and saltine.